Guys, I wanted to show you this cervical traction device that I received from the company. You could read about the benefits to something like this. I just wanted to give you like an up close of what it's like. You can use it on both ways. So either lying down with your neck going this way or lying down this way. So there's benefits to doing it both ways. I find that, it gives a lot of support and does what it's supposed to do. It's like this nice material. It doesn't smell. It's squishy, but also it is firm, but not like so firm that it's gonna hurt for me. So you could see it like really, it has some give to it. It's a really nice material. The directions are super easy to read and understand and can like give you some more information about how to properly use it as well as the benefits of it. So if you're looking for a product like this, I like this one. I'm really happy with it. I'm glad the company sent it to me and I'll be using it often.